up, Knott's Network? It is Tim and Mary here. We are back at the farm. It's been like a little over a week. It is a Saturday. We're parked in the western lot. The park is right across the street from us. It's a little overcast today and chilly, but it's all good. We are at the farm and gonna get some foods, and we're also here for the Roaring 20's Fashion Day. That will be in a different video from this one, so keep an eye out for that. You can hear the screams from Coast Rider and Hang Time. Ooh, they've changed the picture over there to the Boysenberry Festival, the building for Berry Tales. Check out that progress over here at the restaurant. Prop Shop Pizzeria or something. It's gotten bigger though. Saturday at Knott's Berry Farm, y'all. Oof. You could tell they've been working hard. Cool though. Let's peek in the hole in a second. Let's look in there. Ooh. I can't see. I thought I smelled fresh concrete. Cool. Let's go on this side. Ooh. Cool. Nice part about going through the western entrance is how quick we were able to get those updates.
Yeah.
It's cool to see the restaurant progress.
Go ahead and keep walking.
It's a bird. I didn't notice this sign when we went here the first day. Pretty. We are making our way towards the Berry Tales truck. That's where the group is meeting up right now for the Roaring 20's Fashion Day. Mary spotted a monster. Ooh, what's going on in here? Drainage. Relocating probably. Cool.
Take a picture too. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Got it. Thank you. 2, 3.
Hi there. Welcome to the Roaring 20's event. Good to have you.
Everyone's getting together. The gathering has begun. Look, he's got a real camera in there, you guys. Isn't that brilliant? Oh my gosh. Do you guys have any devil's elixir?
Unfortunately, no.
Come September, it's a seasonal drink.
Guess what's back in stock, you guys?
At least we think so, because we see the sign.
Yeah, we see the sign.
We have to go up and make double sure.
But Snoopy popcorn buckets, we are in line for one. It's such a busy day today, but we're down. We haven't seen them in a while. They're patiently waiting. We're getting closer. We're hoping they have them. I mean, the sign's up, so that means they're there, right?
Hopefully. Sometimes signs.
We're totally gonna use this at home too. We have a little popcorn machine.
Yeah, we use our Walt Disney World 50th anniversary popcorn bucket all the time at home.
More cotton candy. Black kitty.
If you ever see a cat around Ghost Town, hashtag Meow Meows at Ghost Town.
They like Ghost Town the most. We finally got our hands on a Snoopy popcorn bucket. Look at it. Howdy. Been wanting this Snoopy popcorn bucket for a while. So now we are in line for the churro factory to try that churro waffle sandwich. Whipped cream on it. Yum. Woo. Thank you. Okay guys, so we got our berry waffle churro sundae. I believe that's what they're calling this. And it's essentially what it is. It's a churro turned into a waffle. Very cinnamony, sugary, very delicious. Noom.
So good, you guys. But I love waffles and I love cinnamon.
One of our YouTube viewers commented about this, asking if we would try it. You guys, yeah, we're totally down to try stuff. Just comment in the section, the videos, you know, comment, hit that like button, and we will try stuff. We have no problem making videos for stuff. Oh, you guys, it's a busy day today. Look at Hang Time is fully loaded. Fully loaded. Oh, that's just a line for Wipeout. Woza. There's the exclusive Squishmallow. All you gotta do is play 10 games to earn a 12-inch Squishmallow. Cool. We are at the Target section of Knott's Berry Farm.
Oh my gosh.
This is some really cute stuff though. I love the crop tops. The totally tubular 80s dance party is tonight. We are gonna miss this one again because we are coming back tomorrow bright and early for the National Boysenberry Day. Ooh, look at the line for funnel cakes. That's our second item we want to try. We want to try the, what's it called? That funnel cake?
Funnel cake with cheesecake bites?
Yes, it's got cheesecake bites in it.
That's the Ghost Town.
We are almost there. Our next item to try is that funnel cake with the cheesecake bites. Bits, bites, bits. Okay, we got it. The boysenberry sauce with cheesecake bites funnel cake. And it's even got ice cream. It's already melting. Even though it's not a hot day, look at this day. It's chilly-ish. Mary's going straight to the ice cream. Okay guys, we loved it. We loved it. We loved it. The cheesecake bites are yummy. We can't feel it. I think we're sweeted out for the day. We both are rocking our boysenberry pie hats. Yeah. I am here for the boysenberries. We are gonna make our way towards that 80s tubular dance party. I know we said we were gonna leave early, but we keep running into our friends and chatting.
Yes.
And stuff. And then we're also running into followers. We love running into you guys. Feel free to say hi to us. We'll give you buttons, we'll take selfies. We love meeting our followers and subscribers. Yes.
Knott's 80's dancers.
Hey, time travelers! This is the 80's ballet. It's time for the Studio K crew to show you what rad really means. Take the running man and make some room as they dance their way into the history books.
Talk about nuts. What I like about nuts.
We're just getting started. Let's go!
It's so cool!
It's so cool in here. Let's get out. The right stuff. Where's Mary? There she is. That was a lot of fun. Oh, wow, the sun is still out. We weren't even in there that long.
I know.
Okay, that was cool.
That was so cool.
If you guys are an 80's fan, totally check out the tubular 80's dance party at Knott's Boardwalk.
Fun overall.
I mean, I love the 80's music.
And if you look at the screen, they play old 1980s Knott commercials, and there's even like stuff from back in the day when Weird Al Yankovic and Wolfman
And they
would do stuff here in the night.
Yeah, there's lots of old visuals and stuff and old commercials. It's fun. And there's dancers in there dancing to that song, What I Like About Knott's. So yeah, now we're just walking around. We're gonna make our way out and get a few final things.
We always say we're making our way out, and then we run into friends.
I know, that's what it is. Well, we run into followers. It's fun running into you guys, so yeah. Entertainment going on at the Boardwalk Barbecue. So, it looks like today Accelerator wasn't open. Ooh, nighttime. Nighttime at the farm. It smells like perfume and cologne. It's closed again? Okay guys, for real, we are making our way out of here. We had a fun day, seeing friends. Roaring 20's Day, Fashion Day was a lot of fun. Mary and I hope to dress up next time we go. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this vlog. Let's end it right here, Mary.
Okay.
That's gonna do it. Thanks for joining us in this little update vlog. Be sure to check out our Roaring 20's Fashion Day montage video. We'll put it in the link description down below.
Yes.
And all that good stuff.
Yes.
Thanks so much. I'm Tim.
And I'm Mary.
We're the Knotts Network. Huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom, Albert, and Tucker Time from YouTube.
Time.
Thanks guys so much. We'll see you next video. The Roaring 20's was awesome. We have a separate, Roaring? Oh yeah, Roaring. So